Bonnie, happy Wednesday. I am back. I have a glossy box and I have an IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I decided to do the Glam Bag Plus right now. I'm super excited to show you guys this one. It's a good bag this month, and I love the ombre bag with the little tassel. I don't know what I do with all these bags, but they're super cute. Oh, I still have my Victoria's Secret stuff behind me. I never took that down. Kind of funny. But anyway, I have got this. This is a cute like bag. It's funny. I go to the beach a lot, and these are cute to just like stash some stuff in, and put in another bag. So I do like the bag. I prefer the Glam Bag Plus. I will put my referral link below. The regular Glam Bag at $12 is definitely, it doesn't feel like it's enough stuff for me. We also did get an ombre bag for that one. And the premium, it's funny because they kind of show you what you could have gotten. um, Actually, the one thing that I would have really liked in the premium this month was it looks like we got the Balm Cosmetics, which that's some of my favorite stuff. But I did get just a regular glam bag. The premium's 50, and I do get premium on BoxyCharm right now, so I'm just kind of sticking with that. So let's dig into the box here. Sometimes they give you an insert, sometimes they don't. They gave us an insert just about the theme, Get That Glow this month. So the first item that we have is the Galactic, and this is a Skin Glow Duo in Moonlight, which looks super pretty. It's funny, now that we all been quarantined, it's like, I kind of feel like lipstick is going out of style now that we're all wearing masks. But I'll have to say, makeup cheers me up, so I am all about getting new makeup. So check out how pretty this is. This looks like it's kind of like feels like a cream. This is really, really pretty, you guys. Look at that. I love a good, these are cream. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, you guys. It's kind of hard to see. It's not super dark, but it's like really, really pretty. I'm just gonna put a little bit on, just for the heck of it. You're not supposed to use your fingers. I'm cheating. Kind of has a rose scent though, which is kind of interesting. That's really pretty though. I don't know if you can see. It did give me a little bit of a glow. I like creams because as you get over 50, sometimes the powder sticks to you and it makes you look a little bit older. So I do prefer a lot of the cream stuff. Next up, do they have the prices on this stuff, I wonder? This is a $26 value, by the way. Next up, we have the Wander Beauty. Oh, I like Wander Beauty. Check it out, the Wander Beauty. And this is the Frame Your Face. Oh, this is a brow gel. I'm thinking, is this a lipstick? I almost was ready to put it on my lips. It's a $22 value. And it's funny because, oh, that's cute. Little brush there. I don't typically use a lot of brow stuff because I have bangs and my brows are usually covered. So that's a kind of an eh. Next up, I'm super excited because we did get a mascara. And you know me and my mascara. I got the high definition. This is Beauty for Real. And this is a $19 value. I toss my mascara, I want to say like every 15 to 20 days. I am not kidding you. I don't like it when it gets like weird and goopy. I don't like old mascara. I guess I'm just a mascara germaphobe. So that's why I get beauty boxes. So a lot of times I will get a new mascara. So this one is definitely a nice one there. So that's exciting. Next up, we have a brush set. Oh my gosh, I love brushes, you guys. I can never have enough brushes. These are from MOTD. I don't know if that's an acronym or what. This is a $34 value. And what I like about these is they're the tiny brushes. I like a good eyeshadow brush, and it looks like we have a really nice selection of eyeshadow brushes here. So I'm super excited. Oops, throw it. I'm super excited about that. So that's a good thing. And then the final thing I got is the Colored Rain Cosmetics. I did pick this item apparently, and this is the Vineyard Soiree palette. Let me see this. Pretty. Where is this made? It is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. Where? Oh, this is one that's made in China. I go back and forth. There's so much makeup is made in China now. So let me do a couple swatches here. Pretty shades. Look at that. Let me just hold that up. Very pretty palette. I like anything with purples, so that's a nice palette. And let me see the price on this one. I've never heard of this brand. I'll have to research this brand a little bit. It's a $22 value. It says in 2013, Lorraine R. Dowdy left her high-powered financial job to pursue her dream of creating a cosmetics line. I have no clue who this person is. I'll have to find out. I don't know. Am I out of the loop, guys, that I don't know this brand? Vineyard Soiree by Colored Rain. I never heard of it, but that's okay. The things I'm most excited for in this bag are definitely the Galactic. I like this. The highlighter, the brushes, and the mascara. So it was a totally good deal for me. I got my money's worth. Let me know what you think of IPSY, and I will be back. I keep checking like every 5 minutes. I keep looking at my email to see if I get any shipping codes for Bath & Body Works. I'm waiting. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.